Welcome back, everybody. This is part 2 of the making of a dress. Okay, so um, I'm just going to do a few more things today, and probably the rest of the video you may see me with something else on when I finish the dress if I don't do it today. Today has been a really long day, and now it is evening. So let's get started. So I have a better angle now. I just absolutely love my new equipment. Hopefully I'll get used to it real soon. So I've already taken the dress and turned it inside out, taking the pins out for time's sake. I've already marked it off here, and this is where I'm going to start sewing my elastic. I have a Sharpie pen, which I really don't like using. I would really prefer to use chalk, but for some reason or another this is a little difficult, so I'm marking it off here all the way across where I'm going to put my elastic, and then I'm going to also do the other side as well. Okay, so this is like 17 inches going across. So I'm going to do 8.5. I'm going to mark it at 8.5 inches, which would be here. Okay, so I'm going to stop and do the other side. Let me just show you how it's marked, if you can see it. I miss a few areas, but I'll just darken some of these areas here. But this is where the elastic is going to go. Okay, so I have the other side marked off, and I forgot to tell you that lengthwise it is 5 2/8 from here to here. So the next thing I'm going to do is where I've marked off here 8.5 inches, I am going to use this one, the soft elastic material. And you know, when you use this, you have to stretch it as you sew it. So up into this point right here, into this point, and I just want to make sure I'm going to stretch it all the way. Now I need a little bit more, because it's going to bunch up, but I want to make sure that when I sew it and I pull it, that it goes as far as I need it. So I made myself a little example. So I think I just want to pull just a little bit more, just to make sure. All right, see that? It's just a little bit past there. And I will cut it with my small scissors. And I can use this to measure up for the opposite arm. Oh, my husband's calling me. Okay, getting ready to stitch some of the hem for the sleeves, and then I'm going to do the other side, and I'll be back. But just to start off just a little bit here. I'm going to do the rest all the way down, and then I'll be back on both sides. So since I never put elastic in the sleeve before, and neither did I ever make this kind of dress before, I did this little trial run here. This would be the bottom of the sleeves here, and this is the elastic. Here's the elastic. I didn't do it really neat since I figured this is just a sample. This is what it looks like on the inside. And what I did was just measure how long the sleeve was this way, and then I took some of the white elastic and just a little past half of the amount of the sleeve on the dress, so that it would have enough creases in here or elasticity in this area here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go over to the dress on my table and just pin it up, pin the elastic in, and then I'll come to the sewing machine to sew one sleeve, and then I'll do the next sleeve. So here you are. This is what it looks like. And I forgot to tell you that I had already hemmed these. Oh, that's right, I did tell you. Sorry about that. I had already hemmed the bottom of the sleeve, so here we are. That's the first one. So I'm going to do the second one now, then I'll be back. Hi, everybody. As you can see, I have the dress pinned together. Now some of these pins are hanging kind of low because I just took it in my dressing room and tried it on inside out. But before I get on the machine and sew it up, I'll be sure to push them all in. So, and there are a few areas on this sleeve here that I have to fix, and then I'll pin it together at the bottom. And one side of this dress hangs long, and the other side is kind of short. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish the dress off. Well, not finish it off. I'm going to do everything but the neck and the hem tonight. And then if I decide that I want to make a hat to it, then I'm going to show you with the dress on. And I think this type of material does need some darts in the breast area, but I will see once I'm done with it. So this is where we're going to end this video, right here, until I'm finished the dress and the hat. Should I decide to see you, when the next time you see me, I'll have the dress on. Okay, take care.